Hello learners, how are you? I hope you are well. Now, welcome to my online class. I am SAZED BHUIYA, Assistant Teacher in English. Lobby Majidul Islam, Lobby Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, today I am going to discuss from English for today for class 8. Dear students, that's what you see. Yes, the means or way of transport. Dear students, here are another images. What do you see? Oh yes, image of train station. Well done. Dear learners, images, what do you see? Oh yes, the image of ferry station. Here are another images. Students, notice them. What do you see? Oh yes, the image of airport aeroplane. Thank you very much. The learners, where are these aeroplanes? Oh yes, aeroplanes are at the airport. Well done. Dear students, where are these people? Oh yes, people are at the airport. Very good. So dear students, today our topic is airport, unit 6, lesson 1. Learning outcomes. End of the lesson, the students will be able to describe and understand the text. Infer meaning from the text, choose the best answers, fill in the gaps, and ask and answer questions. Test. Here are some new words in the text. New word, immigration, means migration. Word lounge means sitting room. Word board means get on or accept. Word passport means a written warrant granting permission to travel in a foreign country. word stamp means impress with some marks or figures. Booth means stall. Word departure means exit. Word form means procedure. Word travel means journey or tourism. Word information means data or news. Dear students, now let us read the text. Dear students, now bring your book and open Unit 6, Lesson 1 and try to read the text. Here I am reading the text and it will be helpful for you to understand the meaning of the text. Zara lives with her parents in London. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Zara's aunt and uncle. She is very close to her cousin Mita. Both the families visited many interesting places there in Bangladesh as great fun. Then they decide that they would visit some places outside Bangladesh too. They decided to go to Thailand. Mita, Jara and her parents are at Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. They are waiting in the lounge. Mita is very excited. This is her first time to board a plane. They are flying by Bangladesh Biman. Mita is going to have a great time in Thailand. As they wait, the two cousins start planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's uncle brings forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says, give some information about yourself in the form. The immigration officer will check your passport and stamp it. And then you are ready to travel. Mita, Jara and her parents start filling in the forms. They are students. Now let us read the text. Jara lives with her friends in London. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Jara's aunt and uncle. She is very close to her cousin, Mita. Both the families have visited many interesting places in Bangladesh. It was great fun. Then they decide that they would visit some places outside Bangladesh too. They decided to go to Thailand, but Mita's parents were too busy with their work, so they could not go. However, Mita was going with them. As they wait, the two cousins start planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's uncle brings forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says some information about yourself in the form. The immigration officer will check your passport and stamp it, and then you are ready to travel. Mita Jara and her parents start filling in the forms. They are learners. I am going to evaluate you through group work. Learners, group A, you have to choose the best answer. Question number 1, fun means option 1, laugh, 2, happy, 3, glance, 4, zest. Question number B, the word busy means 1, unavailable, 2, demanding, 3, full of activity, 4, industrious. Question C is very excited because from 1, she is going with her family, 2, it is her first journey by plane, 3, her uncle is going with them, 4, none of these. Question number D, Zara's parents live in option 1, Delhi, 2, Dhaka, 3, London, 4, Tokyo. Question E, at the airport, a passenger has to, option 1, takes some dollar, 2, fill in a form, 3, submit his or her bag questions, 4, answer some questions. Question F, team going to Thailand consists of dash from 1, 4 members, 2, 2 members, 3, 3 members, 4, 6 members. Question G, the word used in the text means option 1, foe, option 2, bosom, option 3, hostile, option 4, friendly. Dear students, take your answers. The possible answers are A for 4, zest, B for 3, full of activity, C for 2, it is her first journey by plane, D for 1, Delhi, E for 2, fill in a form, F for 1, 4 members, C for 2, bosom. Dear learners of group B, you have to fill in the gaps with appropriate words. Question is, yes, uncle. Question A dash forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He, question B dash 1 to Mita and says you have to give some information about yourself in the form. The information about yourself will question C dash your passport and question D dash it. And then you are ready to travel. Mita Jara and her parents question E dash filling in the forms. Dear learners, take your answers. The possible answer is A for brings, B for gifts, C for check, D for stamp, E for start. Dear students, thank you very much. It's time for homework. So please be ready with your pen and papers and write down the following questions and try to answer them appropriately. Question number A. Where does Zara live? Question number B. How is the relationship between Zara and Mita? Question C. Couldn't Mita's parents go with them? If not, why? Question D. Why is Mita excited? Question E. What is the function of an immigration officer at the airport? Dear learners, thank you very much for joining with me. I will take up any other class any other day. Till then, stay home and stay safe from COVID-19 coronavirus. Till then, Allah Hafiz.